This trade started out an hour and 45 minutes before entry, with this Twitter post stating we were short, and after a bounce we were likely to reshort this again. So around 12:20 p.m. when this reversal bar had occurred and we had already opened this next bar, we used our ATS Bar Chart Trader to instigate a short trail that we placed 3 bars back. The trailing order will follow the price action upward as the price approaches our level that we anticipate an inflection at on this flag pattern we teach to expect coming in through the cloud. An hour and 30 minutes later, now we've formed the reversal bar. When this bar opens, our short order is triggered along with a trailing stop that will start here and follow this trade down, and a profit target order. You can also set this to scale out your trade. Our order is filled a little after about 2:10 p.m., 1:57:12. That's an hour and 50 minutes after we set up this trade. You could have also manually entered this trade as it got to the anticipated inflection point. This was only pennies away where it turned over at. But you wouldn't want to auto trade that close because you're not manually watching the trade. We tweeted out again at 3:13 p.m. showing the trade that had set up as we anticipated earlier and we had posted on Twitter. We were not in a scale out mode, so we had trailed this down on the 2-bar trail, which would be back up here, and then had switched to a current bar trail as this trade progressed. We had manually adjusted our profit target order at the bottom, and as we approached it, we tightened up and actually reversed and stopped out.